Hi everyone. I know it's 2021. I know a lot of people on YouTube and even Google and they're searching and they're wondering what are some of the ways you can get started to make money online. Personally, I've been making money online for since 2011 for a very long time. If you subscribe to my channel and follow my advice, it's going to be easy for you to get started making money online. I want you to do right now, what I want you to do is basically like go on my channel, check out my videos, and just watch some of the videos that I'm talking about how you can get started making money online for free. The information I give you is legit. It's 100% free to get started with some of the resources and some of the website I use to make money online. So if you're searching and you're wondering how can you make money online in 2021, you need to subscribe to my channel and go check out my videos and sign up for some of the websites I recommend to you because they're great ways you can start generating income online. And this is the first time you see my video, please like my video and also share my video with anyone who you think will find this video useful. And please subscribe to my channel. And once again, if you're looking for a way to make money online in 2021, follow the advice I give you. It's 100% free, and you'll even actually be able to make some money. So please subscribe to my channel and also like this video.